Hello, I am Naresh Yusi, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government First Grade College, Davangere. Today I am going to discuss the modern Indian literature in English, paper 7, which is prescribed for BA Optional English 5th semester, Davangere University. It is a session 34. I am going to deal with and continue with Silence the Court is in Session by Vijay Tendulkar. In the previous session, session 33, we discussed Benare in the witness box, Benares cross examination, characters tarnish Benares reputation, women are buried under in patriarchal societies. Through this session, you are going to understand the plot construction of the drama and you are going to equip with a plot construction of the drama. In this session, let us see arrival of Leela Benare, the role of characters, Benares' personal lifestyle, the trial, Benares' commitment to raising her baby. Arrival of Leela Benare. Leela Benare arrives early at the meeting hall with a villager, Samant. Benare, unbeknownst to her colleagues and to the audience, is unmarried and newly pregnant. She has also been fired from her job as a school teacher. Her bosses worried pregnancy was a sign of immorality which she would pass on to the children. The role of characters Sukatme, Rokde, Pongshe, Karnik, Mr. Kashikar, and Mrs. Kashikar arrives at the meeting hall. Two members of the troupe, Professor Damble and Mr. Raute, were unable to make it to the performance. The troupe members decided to improvise a trial as they wait. The roles the same. Sukatme plays the lawyer, Kashikar the judge, but designate a new defendant. Benares' personal lifestyle. Benare is out of the room during the discussion. Without her input, he is nominated as the accused. Pongshe and Karnik likely know that something is wrong in Benares' personal life, perhaps related to pregnancy, and so maliciously suggest she be charged with infanticide. Benare become upset, but collaborators remind her it is just a game. Many members of the troupe have been quietly judgmental of Benares' lifestyle as an unmarried, outspoken woman. The trial. The trial eats up when Rokde reveals that in real life he went to Damble's house one afternoon and saw Benare inside. Samant then fabricates a scenario taken from novel in which Benare has become pregnant after having an affair with Damble. Benares' distressed response reveals that he is hit upon the truth. Benare is, in fact, pregnant with Damble's child and has been desperately trying to find a way to ensure a happy future for her baby. Benare upsets, tries to leave, but the room has been locked from the outside. And she has no choice other than endure the rest of the trial. Rockde, Pongshe, and Carnick reveal details of her personal life for the sake of the game. Pongshe and Rockde reveal that Benare approached him asking him to marry her and raise her child, but both men turned her down. The trial concludes as Sukatme makes a case against Benare, arguing that she has corrupted society and the very institution of the motherhood. Benare's commitment to raising her baby. Benare gives the speech she wishes she had the time or courage to give about her search for love, her love of teaching, and her commitment to raising her baby. Time unfreezes as Kashikar delivers Benares' punishment. A court ordered abortion, devastated, she collapses to the floor. The whole group goes to Benare, still lifeless, on the floor and try to remind her it was just a game. They leave to prepare for their evening performance, and Benare remains alone on stage. Thank you.